So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we are here at Ubud Raw. It's a good cozy place for your hot chocolate and different types of drinks that's available, matcha, etc., and you'll get the best chocolate as well here. So this is a mini vlog that I wanted to share with you guys to kind of show you the best cafes out here in Ubud/Bali. So must visit place. I'm not sure what I'm gonna order, but stay tuned in the vlog to see the kind of things that I order and yeah, me doing a taste test of what I'm gonna drink here. So stay tuned and watch till the end. It's actually one of the famous chocolate place here. So guys, look at the ambience right here. It's all minty ones. So yeah, you can also carry this to your home country. I'd recommend you to kind of take this as a souvenir or give it to your friends and family. It's pretty cool. Guys, so finally I've got my drink here. It's a deluxe chocolate drink, which is fully chocolate with no other stuff apart from milk, coconut milk I mean to say. And then here you go, there's another yummy looking cake pastry here. Again, it is dark chocolate mixture of icy badam, pista and cocoa as well. So there you go. I'm sure you guys are having saliva in your mouth right now and mouth watering stuff, so you better come here. So guys, the moment of truth. Let's dive in. Oh fuck. I actually don't know how to describe this, but I get a lot of strong, thick flavor, which is not. I can't describe it. It's too good. You definitely need to come here. I'm trying the cold one. I'm also thinking to get the hot one in some time because of the taste. So yeah, see you all later if I order the other one. It's too good. So guys, this is the menu right here. Not the menu, more like takeaway stuff that you can get. And I'm enjoying my dessert and the drink. Guys, guess what? And it happened. I ordered another drink. So yeah, it was so good that I had to finish this cold one, and I'm trying to get a hot one. And it's kind of the best seller. So let's see what the hype is all about. I'll keep you all posted. Cheers. So guys, I got my what is this called? A bitter chocolate drink. It's again the same one that I've drank, but hot version, and it looks so delicious, guys. So moment of truth, guys. I'm gonna taste this bad boy right now. Oh my gosh. This is a mixture of Toblerone mixed with Ferrero Rocher plus creamy ass dairy milk. That's how I can describe this. It's too good, guys. You better ensure to burn your calories right after this. Do cardio, because I'm sure this is a lot of calories. It's too good. So I hope you like this tiny vlog. I just want to show you around Ubud Raw. So if you like these kind of stuff again, and must visit cafes, if you feel like you want to go to these places, then do hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.